The House in the Woods. A poem by Randall Jarrell.
Narrated by Jack Quarry and Emily Seidel.
At the back of the houses there is the wood. While there is a leaf of summer left, the wood makes sounds I can put somewhere in my song, has paths I can walk when I wake, to good or evil, to the cage, to the oven, to the house in the wood.
It is a part of life, or of the story we make of life. But after the last leaf, the last light, for each year is leafless, each day lightless, at the last, the wood begins its serious existence.
It has no path, no house, no story. It resists comparison. One clear, repeated, lapping gurgle, like a spoon or a glass breathing, is the brook, the wood's fouled midnight water.
If I walk into the wood as far as I can walk, I come to my own door. The door of the house in the wood. It opens silently. On the bed is something covered, something humped asleep there, awake there, but what, I do not know.
I look, I lie there, and yet I do not know how far out my great echoing clumsy limbs stretch, surrounded only by space. For time has struck, all the clocks are stuck now. For how many lives on the same second, numbed, wooden, motionless.
We are far under the surface of the night. Nothing comes down so deep but a sound. A car, freight cars, a high soft droning, drawn out like a wire, forever and ever.
Is this the sound that Bunyan heard, so that he thought his bowels would burst within him, drift on into nothing? Then someone screams, a scream like an old knife sharpened into nothing. It is only a nightmare.
No one wakes up, nothing happens, except there is goose flesh over my whole body. And that too, after a little while, is gone. I lie here like a cut-off limb, the stump the limb has left. Here at the bottom of the world, what was before the world.
And will be hereafter, holds me to its back, breasts and rocks me. The oven is cold, the cage is empty, in the house in the wood, the witch and her child sleep.